Hello and welcome back to Azure Terraformer. Today we are celebrating a new milestone thanks to you. We just hit 1,000 subscribers, which is huge. Very excited. I'm so glad to have you guys all here with me as we terraform Azure. As some of you may remember, my first video dropped January 30th of this year. Those were some very rough days. A lot of learnings for me about how to put together a decent video tutorial and demonstrating how to code Terraform. We did a lot of work with Packer and Terraform, using virtual machines, had some fun with Minecraft there for a while, and we finally hit 500 subs May 15th of this year. And today, July 20th, we hit 1,000. So thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the questions and code review requests. Thank you for challenging me. And most importantly, thank you for the support. This is a labor of love. I'm having a great time, but it's great to hear from you guys and know that you guys are enjoying what I'm putting out here. I'm still growing and figuring out where I want this channel to go. It sure has changed over the last 3 months alone. I've got some new wall art. I hope you guys enjoy it. I'm a big fan of Lego, as you guys may know. So I've been kind of figuring out what pieces I want to decorate behind me so you guys don't just get bored staring at my face. We tackled some new topics. You know, we kind of segued off of virtual machines with a series on Linux virtual machine observability. And I tackled a little bit of a sensitive topic considering I work at Microsoft, is the showdown episodes between ARM, Bicep, and Terraform. So those were a lot of fun. I of course don't mean to offend anybody. I think you guys might understand my point of view just based on the title of my channel anyway. Needless to say, I tried to give an objective look at each of those technologies. I also realized that while some of you may be working a lot with Azure, you may be relatively new to Terraform. And so I spent a little time trying to create a series of videos to condense down key Terraform concepts into short 1-minute episodes that you can sit and watch from your office, from your abode, wherever you're on your phone, you can sit and watch these videos to just get key nuggets of information that you need in order to be productive at Terraform. I really designed them to start at ground zero and work up to more complex language topics. And I hope if you guys are new to Terraform, whether you're an old hand at Azure or AWS or another type of software developer, I'd love to hear whether you find them useful or not. I see so much content out there. You know, learn Terraform in 21 days, learn Terraform in 4 hours, learn Terraform, in 6 weeks. And I guess for me, it just seems that part of the beauty of Terraform is how it's so simple, yet so powerful. So I hope through this series, Terraform 10, by just spending 10 minutes, you'll be able to come up to speed and be productive using Terraform. Let me know how that goes. Most recently, we've been exploring another Terraform provider, the Azure DevOps provider, through my Automate the Automation series, which I hope you find useful as well. And I hope really helps you bootstrap your use of Terraform, whether it's on a small project or a big project in an enterprise. I just recently published a Terraform module library for my Azure DevOps modules that I've been developing in this series. So go check it out, submit issues, let me know how I can make it better. So what's next? Well, I feel like I'm a repeating record. I keep saying the same things, but there's just so much content to get through, so many topics to get through, and I really want to listen to you. So when I get questions and feedback from you, it kind of changes the course or direction that I'm going. But ultimately, I do want to hit up on some of my favorite Azure services, Azure Functions, AKS, as well as dabble into another technology that's Terraform adjacent, Ansible, because there have been a lot of questions about how to use Terraform and Ansible together. But lastly, now that I've hit 1,000 subs, I'd really like to get some live streams going. So let me know in the comments below what you think I should do. Do you guys want me to just get on, an office hours session for 2 hours and just code? Or do you want me to bring on colleagues and guests to talk about different topics? Or do you like the idea of me just sitting down with my whiteboard and fielding questions from the audience? Let me know what you think in the comments below. Anyways, it's been a lot of fun. I continue to enjoy the back and forth from the community and participate not only here, but also within the Azure Terraform community through the community call and the community Slack channel. So make sure you sign up for those as well and hit me up on there. In my mind, it's never been a better time to be working with Azure and to be working with Terraform. So thank you, Again, from the bottom of my heart, I hope you stay on this journey with me, and let's continue terraforming Azure together. That's it from me. This is Mark Tinderholt, the Azure Terraformer, signing off.